Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Michael, and in this video we are going to be talking about how to get views on YouTube. And in this video, guys, I want to tell you real quick what you will get out of this video if you watch to the end right here. First of all, you will know how to get unlimited amounts of views to any video that you upload. Doesn't matter what kind of video it is. This video will show you 100% how to get views right here in 2018 easily, effectively, and it will work 100%, okay? Second of all, you will be able to get people who are actually interested in your content to actually watch your videos, right? No BS. This is a no BS approach, step-by-step tutorial on how to really do it, guys. This is not one of these things where you get shown how to get views from people who are not even interested, who are just like random viewers through social exchange sites or whatever people are doing out there. This is like you will actually get real views from highly targeted people who come to your videos because they're actually interested in what you have to offer them, okay? And the third thing right here is, if you implement everything that I show you today, you will get tons of subscribers, guaranteed tons of views and traffic to your website, whatever you want, guys. Whatever you want out of YouTube, this tutorial right here will make it happen. And the fourth thing that I want to be giving you guys today is I want to give you my Tube Millionaire course. For all the subscribers that are watching this video right here, you already know what this is. For all the new people right here, by the way, be sure to subscribe. And the Tube Millionaire course is one of my most famous courses that sells for more than $2,000. And today, I want to give it to you guys for free. And at the end of the video, I will show you exactly how you can get it, okay? So be sure to watch to the end, okay? So what we will do right now is we will jump straight into the actual content, and I want to show you how you can really get more YouTube views, guys. So before we really 110% get into the actual topic, I want to show you real quick that I'm the real deal and I know what I'm talking about. As you can see right here, this is my channel, got over 50,000 subscribers. And when we check out one of my videos, when we sort them by most popular right here, you can see that my biggest video actually has it almost has 900,000 views. This one has 600,000, 500,000. So I know what I'm talking about, guys. And now you guys might ask yourselves, how is he able to do that? How is he able to really go out there and get that many views? And the answer, it's a really short and simple answer, guys, and it's called YouTube SEO, right? YouTube ranking, right? This is pretty much how I build up my whole channel. And if you know anything about SEO, called search engine optimization, if you know anything about it, you will already know what I mean. It's pretty much, and that's why I said you will get people who are interested in your actual content. It's pretty much ranking your videos for specific keywords that people are searching for, right? So let's say we type in, for example, right here, a pretty popular keyword, like for example, how to make money on, and then you see it's already popping up, how to make money on YouTube, how to make money on Instagram. And the fact that all of these things right here pop up, all of these phrases pop up, that means those are the phrases that people are actually searching for, right? That's what the YouTube algorithm shows us right here. This is what people are searching for. So as you can see, keyword like how to make money on Instagram is literally something that millions of people are searching for every single month. So when you type that in right here, you can see that my videos, like actually this is one video I did like 4 months ago. This is a little bit older right here. My videos are actually ranked on the first positions right here, first and second position on the first page for this keyword. And that's the reason why they get so many views, guys. This video right here already has 600,000 views, guys. And just to show you guys that this is all 100% real right here, as you can see the heavy engagements right here. 600,000 views, 7,000 people liked it, 1,500 people didn't like it. When you scroll down right here, tons of comments. All the comments have like literally hundreds of likes. I mean, this comment right here is not the most positive one, but it doesn't matter. It's all about engagement, right? So what I want to show you guys in this video right here, and before you post a negative comment on how long I talk about things and I don't go into the actual topic fast enough, if you think I'm talking too slowly or I don't know, like just not getting straight to the point or whatnot, don't worry, I'm really getting into it right now. By the way, guys, be sure that you subscribe. If you're on this video right now, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see future updates, if you really like this content right here. So this is really what it is, guys. Now I will get into it and how I do it, okay? So what I'm pretty much just doing is, let's just look at this video right here, and I will show you exactly how I have done it, okay? And the first thing that it starts with is what I call the on-page optimization for the whole SEO, right? For the search engine optimization, right? So what you want to do is, let's check out what I did right here with this video, okay? So as you guys already know, YouTube videos always have a title, a description, and tags, right? But don't worry, this is not some normal BS that other guys and stuff are teaching you, because there's actually a secret formula. If you want, there's like a trick that you have to use in order to use these like title, description, and tags and stuff to really make your video outrank your competition, okay? So what happens right here is, what you have to do is you have to reverse engineer the YouTube algorithm and analyze your competition, what they do, use that in order to create your own perfect title, description, and tags so you can outrank your competition or the people who are already ranked for these keywords, right? When you look at this right here, the description right here, the first thing, I just put my links right here, obviously, but then all I'm doing is right here, these phrases right here, as you can see them right here, right? They don't really, when you really read my descriptions of my videos, they don't really make too much sense, right? So it says like, so you want to know how to make money on Instagram, blah, 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 100 per day. It's pretty easy. You just have to follow instructions in this video. Then I just put again, how to make money on Instagram right now. And the reason for that is not because I'm dumb or something, or I just put random crap in my description, but it is simply because I know that those are the phrases that I have to use in my description to outrank my competition and position my video on the first page for the keyword. And how do I know that? I only know that because I got a tool called Video Sniper Pro, right? This tool right here called Video Sniper Pro is literally the best YouTube tool out there, because it will help you to dominate YouTube and outrank your competition, right? It has tons of tools, right? It has just tons of features right here, analyzing your competition, keyword suggestions, blah, blah, blah. But the most important thing is generate video details. It auto-generates SEO optimized title, description, and tags, and will actually rank your videos, right? So when we log into our account right here, all you have to do is, if you, let's say, first of all, you have to obviously find out what keyword you want to rank for. And that's really easy. All you do is you go to YouTube and you type in whatever keyword you're searching for, as I did before, right? So let's say you're in the fitness niche or whatever. Let's say you want to teach people how to get a six-pack or whatever, right? How to get a six-pack. And then you have all the different kinds of keywords, right? So you make a video, or you already have a video about a specific topic, and then you, for example, take the keyword how to get a six-pack, right? Then you simply copy that keyword, go right here into your account, go to keywords. All you do right here is you put it in here, select generate video details, then you click search, right? And so what the software will do is, in the back end, they will reverse engineer the YouTube algorithm, analyze your competition. And as you can see right here, it will actually give you even the best keywords to rank for and stuff. But for this example, we will just use this keyword right here, okay? So then once this is done, we go to video details, and then it will actually give us the specific details we have to use if we want to upload a video on how to get a six-pack. Right here you can see the keyword, and all we have to do is like click on it. How to get a six-pack. You can see the specific title. So now you can just basically pick a specific title that you want to use out of these titles right here. Then for the description, I always recommend using like 3 phrases right here. Just make sure you don't spam or anything. But 3 phrases, like 2 to 3 phrases are good. And then you can use the tags. Of course, they are really easy. All you got to do right here is copy and paste them, right? Copy and paste them and put them into your whatever description, right? And then there's another little trick that you have to use in order to rank. What you want to do is, you know, the thumbnail, when you upload the video, it asks you to upload a thumbnail. You want to give it the same, you want to give that file, the thumbnail file, the same title as this title right here, okay? And also the video MP4 file, you want to give it the same title, right, as this one right here. And then you upload it, and then it will basically rank. By the way, this is not all. This is not all that you need to rank. There's some other stuff too that you have to do in terms of like getting like views and all of these things. So, and therefore, guys, that's why I want to give you my award-winning course, because this is something where you can sign up. Like, you can literally, this is my 2 millionaire system, guys, and I want to give it to you guys for free today. As a thank you for watching this video right here. You can just sign up for free and you can get 200 hours of video training, guys, on how to, first of all, rank videos on YouTube, get tons of views, literally millions of views, and just make tons of money, because I also want to show you how to do affiliate marketing and all of these things using YouTube, right? Literally, this is like catchphrase right here, how I made $50,000 with only one YouTube video. Of course, I didn't just make $50,000 in my life or whatever, but I actually made that much money with only one YouTube video. In this program right here, I want to show you how I've actually done that, okay? So if that's interesting for you guys, just please check the link in the description to get the free course. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is all you got to know when it comes to getting YouTube views in 2018, and basically for, like, I mean, for the rest of your life. I mean, there's no other way. There will never be another way to get views on YouTube. Okay, this is pretty much it. This is what you have to know. Again, as I said, be sure to like and subscribe if you like this video, which I'm sure you probably did. So yeah.